How to do Uber Eats delivery. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will going to learn how we can do Uber Eats delivery, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to do delivery for Uber Eats, you're done ordering food yourself, now you want to earn some money and you decide that you would like to deliver for Uber Eats. Now to do this is also quite simple. You just have to sign up using the Uber driver app instead. So open up your Play Store or your App Store on iOS or Android, download the Uber driver application here, and once you download the Uber driver app, over there you will be able to see all this information where you can just sign in with your normal Uber account. So it doesn't have to be a separate driver account. The same Uber account can also be used for driving, but the only thing that you need here is a couple of verification checks. You will have to verify a profile photo, which is the recommended next step. So tap on it, then just tap the take photo option here, just allow to use the camera, then it will go ahead and then basically use the camera over here. After that, after you take that photo, just come back, and once that first process is complete, you have to verify your driver's license as well. So once you take your photo of driver's license, vehicle insurance, the registration certificate and the vehicle commercial permit, you can just tap on the continue option and Uber will take some time to verify, and then you can start driving for Uber Eats. This way you can go ahead and then basically do Uber Eats delivery. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.